Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi watching here. So, every Saturday I do review about the Forex software that I'm using, to do trades. Okay, so I make review on it, on what it has done from Monday to Saturday. I mean, to Friday rather, because Forex markets used to be open from Monday to Saturday. Okay, so now, as you can see, the actually initially this account was started with $200, and I always says that this is not the software that promised to double your account in a month or in a week or in few days. No, it's doing well then, but it doesn't promise a big profit just like that. Okay, it's just something that is somebody that is curious to make big money fast can use. Yes, I cannot lie to you because of why do I be lying to you? So as you can see that you do not have any ongoing trade at all, because if you have any ongoing trade, it's we have everything right here. Okay, then today is Saturday. You can see the market cannot move at all. Okay, so then you have to come to this. So this one is the auto, the payback. Okay, so now the week started on what? So the week started on the Monday was on the 11th. Monday was 11. Monday was 11th. Okay, so let's check what is started doing on the. So on the 11th, he made $6, right? 6.34 cents. So let's check on the 12th. Let's check on the 12th. Let's check on the 12th what it has done on the 12th. So it did 6.11 on the 12th. You can see 6.11 on the 12th. Then on the 13th, let's check what it did on the 13th. So on the 13th, you can see it did not do much. It did 1.61. That's why I said this is not something that is actually really building big money like that. Then on the 14th, Thursday, it made just $13.15, right? Just $13.15. That is what it made. Then Friday yesterday was 15th. We need to check 15th. So on the 15th, it made $3.84. $3.84. So it's doing its consistency is growing, is there, but it's not that it's making big money every time. Its consistency is there, but it's not that it's making big money every time. This is the real account, as I always said. Okay, so this is the real account, as I always said. So it's just building the money gradually. So this is the third week. So on the third week, you can see that from $200, it has done over 50% already. You can see that it has done over 50% also, because this is $119 profit in 3 weeks. Okay, it has done 119. It started with 200, so it has done $119 profit in 3. This is the third week. Okay, so that is what I have for you as a review, guys, for this stuff, guys. So this is not something that as you can also see that it's not that software is not losing trade. It's losing trade a lot, but at the end of the day, overall, it will still make profit. So it's not that it doesn't lose trades at all. It make profit, it lose, but at the end of the day, it ends in let's check 14th. On the 14th, where it made how much? $13. You can see that it's not that it doesn't lose trades at all. It's not that it doesn't lose trades at all. So, but it's doing its best for the consistency. So it is for those who can be patient and building the money for them. All right, it is for those who have the patience. So, and they be, of course, some people are started with us, and we are seeing, looking at, checking it, and so far, it's not that it's making big money, as I always said, as I said earlier too, but it's trying to, so as from Monday now, when the market is back, then automatically it will start. So it just release within us, why we are, doing other things. So it will be helping us to trade the Forex. So that is how it works. So thank you very much, guys. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. So if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscription button. Thank you. See you later. Bye.